audio processing on, so when you got wind on auto, so if there's going to be a gust, it'll switch between stereo and non-stereo and suppress the wind like it should be doing now. On a standard mic. Oh, and boost is on all the way. And it's 1080p 60. Man, I got negative 1.5 on the EV, which is almost as dark as you can get it. Right now, the shotgun's aimed totally away from me. Let's see if I can turn it in. But I can turn it down and commentate like this while I hold my camera. You got a moderate wind going here, but I got the full boost on, so it's gonna be pretty smooth. Ooh, check out that wind and be quiet. I'm gonna boost it on the telly. This is gonna be a long distance. Alright, so now we're on telly, and I can see my green waveform bar getting pretty high up there, so but it's not clipping or even getting in the yellow, so it might be a decent sound. I'm gonna go ahead and aim the shotgun at the ground and see if we get. It's windy. It may be hitting the wind noise, so let me listen for it.